we have to find how many multiples of 10 are there between the following pairs of numbers. We have 10 to 6 power and 10 to 8 power in the first example, and in the second we have negative 700 and 4800. So first let me remind you formula when we have to find the number of multiples of k between m and n, and m is less than or equal n, then the number of multiples is equal to floor of n over k minus floor of m minus 1 over k. So this is equal. In first example, we have given n is equal 10 to 8 power, m is equal 10 to 6 power. And we have to find how many multiples of 10. So k is equal 10. So we have to use this formula. We have floor of 10 to power 8 over 10 minus floor of 10 to power 6 minus 1 over 10. So this is equal. We have floor of 10 to power 8 over 10 is like to first power, so we have the same base. We will subtract exponents, so it will be 10 to power 7. And we have minus. We have 10 to 6 power is 1 million minus 1. It will be 999,999 over 10. In first expression, we have floor of 10 to 7. 10 to 7 is integer, so floor of integer is integer, the same integer, so we have 10 to power 7 minus, and when we divide by 10, we have to move to the left side one time only, because we have only 1 0. So we have floor of 99,999.9. And now this is equal. We have 10 to power 7 minus floor of this number. This is not integer, so we have to find the largest integer less than this number. You can always draw number line and find first this number. Let me put this 99,999.9, and this number is between 99,999 and between 100,000. So the largest integer less than this number is 99,999. So we have minus 99,999. So this is equal 9,900,001. This is my solution to the first example. And to the second, now we have that n is equal 4,800 and m is equal negative 700. K, number of multiples of 10 we have to find. So k is equal 10. And now again we will use the same formula. We have floor of 4,800 divided by 10 minus floor of negative 700 minus 1 over 10. So this is equal. floor of 480 minus, we have negative 701 divided by 10 is negative 7.1. So this is equal. We have first floor of integer, 480 is integer, so it will be the same number, 480. And we have minus. Now you can always draw number line if you can't find between which integers is this number. We have negative 7.1 is between negative 71 and negative 70, so the largest integer less than this number is negative 71. So this is equal 480, negative and negative give me plus 71. So this is equal 551. This is my solution.